I filled the gap. Filled the gap. I was slacking. Is what I was doing. Slacking. Yeah, GME. GME sent it. Uh, Noon is Eastern time. Crazy. AMC is above. By the time Rory Kitty goes live, I don't know. I don't know. Oh wow, that's quite the pop. Oh my goodness. Whew. You guys see that? KITT? Wow. My goodness. I here was, slowly strolling back. I'm like, okay, KITT is up 14 cents. Okay, gap filled. Let me come look. Let's come buy the dipskis. Nope. Nope. That thing said you're having a banana? Well, keep having bananas then. Keep having bananas. That's a nice push. 1650. That thing is just sending it. Yeah, funny enough, this thing might become a meme play on that gap fill. That was nice. Watch this become like the kitty stock, the roaring kitty stock. Can you imagine? Is that your connection, Pyro? Yeah, that's your connection. My connection is a okay. I think. What is it called again? Speed test. Speed test. Speed test. Yeah, no, my connection is good. Oh yeah, crush. Speed test. Before Kitty goes live, I have no idea. Chaos. I think they're gonna try and pump it tonight. Like GME looks good, obviously. I think they're gonna try and pump it tonight, and then maybe tomorrow you might actually see violence. Violence. So speed test. There goes 41. Yeah, I think tonight might be fun with GME, and then maybe tomorrow morning, and then leading up into the event. You want to be very careful though. You want to be very careful if you're holding. After he goes live, you want to be careful because when it starts dropping, oof, 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 you're gonna need your grandma's favorite baking to console you. Because I think they're gonna keep it up. Whenever you have a catalyst, right? You have a catalyst. You're going into something. Everybody's like hype, 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 hype. You're going into something. You have something to look forward to. As soon as that thing's done, oh my goodness, talk about blood, blood. So be very careful. Remember when Elon was on SNL? Yup. Fun, fun, fun. Everybody, Dogecoin, Dogecoin. It's at 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents. Elon opened his mouth. That thing said, hello? Is this zero? Yeah. Tomorrow at noon Eastern, Victoria. So, yeah, support and resistance. Yes, please. We can do that. We can do that. So I do hope though that it keeps pumping into that event. Yeah, I do hope that it keeps pumping. An alert. And then let's just watch that stonk. See if that alert ever hits. Okay. Who do we trust more? Oh my goodness. I feel like we trust Roaring Kitty more than we trust Adam Aaron. We trust the kitty more than we trust Aaron, you know? Yeah, Archer, yeah. I mean, again, KITT is trying to bounce here, which isn't too bad. AMC is also bouncing, which isn't too bad, right? Yeah. And then GME is just sitting there. Adam Aaron is, he's not the type of person you trust. Adam Aaron has never done a single good thing for the company. Well, maybe for the company, yes. For the stock, zero. Zero. So, yeah, we for sure don't trust that dude. The only thing he's good at is raising money. That's the only thing he's good at. Uh, into the close. Do. Let's see. Okay. Uh, KITT. KITT looks really good actually. I think KITT is running seriously though because it's called KITT. Yeah, opens his mouth and AMC tanks exactly. Yeah, KITT is crushing, crushing. Ooh, that is very nice actually. Almost back to 17 pennies. So if you bought the Dipskis, guys, congratulations. Steve mentioned a few times, right, in Discord in the Stock Premium channel, uh, right, that there was a gap to fill at 14, which there was a gap to fill. It filled that gap, consolidated, and then sent it. And also, Tesla is pumping because GME is pumping. Tesla is pumping because GME is pumping. Tesla is a meme stock. I'm not even kidding. You think I'm kidding? I'm not even kidding. Virus mentioned this before too. La 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 la. Alrighty, so yeah, so KITT 17 pennies resistance. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, GME we're just kind of watching to see if we can break above the top. Seriously, you notice how the S&P is red and Tesla has been pumping today? Why is it pumping? The last time Tesla pumped was when GME was pumping. When GME was going for $80, Tesla had one of its best days it's had in a long time. It was all GME and the meme stocks. So if GME squeezes, Tesla is gonna squeeze. uh, and then maybe Elon is gonna show up to the live stream with the kitty, you know. Anyways, AMC has a lot of resistance, guys, at 575. So if you're watching AMC, resistance 575, support around like 550, 545. And back to GME. The high of the day for now for GME is that 44.50 ish, 44.40. So 44.40. Um, GME highs. GME highs. GameStop. Can I sell now? if you want to. 176 Tesla puts. Yeah, I mean, yeah, probably Tesla is going to end up getting slapped unless GME just keeps squeezing. 175. Yep. 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 Yup. 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 It's just a matter of time. Sell to me. I'll buy your GME. Come on, FC. You can't even buy a membership. How are you gonna buy his How are you gonna buy his AMC share, his GME shares? Unbelievable. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Lauren says I'm up 183% on GME $40 calls. High five. Let's go, Lauren. Let's go. I'm kidding, FC. I'm kidding. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I didn't mean to roast. It just came out. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Anyways, I'm kidding. You're looking for the next FFIE? That might be Kitty, huh? Anyways, we shall see. The best roast of the day. Unbelievable. Oh, come on. You guys need to. Anyways, GME is going for $41, guys. Going for 41. FC, you should just become just upgrade your membership at that point. You know, so people know that you can actually buy all the AMs all the GME shares. Just because you're on a free membership, just upgrade. You know, otherwise, because at this point everybody's yep. You just click the link, upgrade, and boom skis. Come join us in Discord. Anyways, yeah, no, GME does look good. Not surprised. Again, there's a catalyst coming up tomorrow, so you can clearly tell why people are buying GME, right? Um, yep. There he goes. Can we get back above 42 GME? And GME is going to need to break out there for AMC to break above 575. Is SoFi a meme coin? Kyle, you wish. You wish SoFi was a meme. Wasn't SoFi a meme though in 2021? I think it was, right? Did it not run? I thought it did. We should have thought about this earlier. KITT being like a meme, KITT. Maybe another after hour run. That would be nice. 2021, Kyle. Okay. Don't forget to smash a like again, guys, if you haven't already. Share the link as well if you want to. You should share the link. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Trying to. Uh, you're gonna swing some Tesla puts. Tesla puts. Yeah. Tesla. LP is looking nice. If you're holding GME, type in yes in the chat. I'm not gonna ask for AMC because AMCs are filled with bag holders. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. GME is actually people that, yeah, most people that are holding GME are people that actually bought GME recently. If I say anybody holding AMC, it's gonna be people that are holding AMC from 2020, 2020, 2022. 2021. So I'm just gonna ask for GME because GME is actually like people are playing with GME constantly. Brian, yeah, yeah. AMC's bag holders. I'm kidding, guys. GME is actually people that Uh, yep. Oh lordy, let's go, Pablo. Yeah, some GME calls would be good too. GME calls. Uh, yes, absolutely. And then I don't think we have Vrax. Vrax with a bit of a bounce. Interesting. Brian, I know. That's why staying away from that question. Bought one share of AMC 2 months. James, okay. I know, Brian. I came. I must have ate something spicy for lunch. No, all I had was a banana. But I came back with violence, though. Came back with violence. That's for sure. The only place. Well, maybe tonight, maybe into tomorrow. But spicy cookies. Yeah. No. What I think happens though is five more, and I was able to get out saved. Okay, sounds good. Virus. What I think happens is, GME is gonna run. Well, I mean, it is running. Um, hopefully the company doesn't take advantage of this and does another. They do another offering and send the stock to the abyss, because that's just going to kill the vibe. But you're almost hoping, though, that, I mean, it's more of a hope than a strategy, right? You're almost hoping that GME can keep running tonight, tomorrow morning, into the whatever he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. He's going to talk about GME and the shorts. What is he going to talk about, guys? The shorts, the naked shorts having to cover, it's all just hype, right? This is like hype to the max. So be very careful, right? When you go into that, you want to start thinking of like, oh, I might need to start securing some profits. Because when that thing drops and halts, and you're like, I'm still in there. Uh, if it halts down tomorrow and you're in there, you better hope it doesn't. But if it does, just start packing your bags. Wherever you live, just packing your bags. Um, Yep, start packing your bags. So for now, let the hype continue. Let the hype continue, right? Pump it, pump it, pump it. But we've been through this multiple times, right? The example we used earlier was Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin hype, 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 and then Elon opened his mouth. I don't even know what the roaring kitty guy sounds like. I've never. Yeah, he should be musty. I'm surprised the company. I don't think the company wants to engage. So because then they might all go to jail. They might all go to jail. I don't think the company wants to engage with that. La 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 la, from the same village and loves cookies. Okay, maybe I need to. I've never heard him speak. I need to watch that movie too, the GME movie. I need to watch that. Maybe tonight. Maybe tonight, actually. Yeah. There goes $42. I'm just waiting for. Yeah. Let's go, Steve. It's funny. Okay, I need to watch that. Maybe tonight. Yeah, so $42, highs of 44.40. Let's see if we can get back up there, right? So clearly, again, you can see that the hype is still there, right? The hype is still there, and the stock is moving in that direction. That would be a good movie to watch, Virgo. It would be a really good. Yeah, yeah. We need to do something like that. It's been a long time. Hello. Yes. Yeah. No. Yeah. We to talk about Robinhood planning on handling the volume of GME. Oh wow. uh, this virus. Uh, it was good to watch. KITT looks good. I bet you people are looking at KITT and they're like, ooh, the kitty, roaring kitty. That's the stock. I bet you that's why this thing is pumping. Look at that. Just like that, we're back to 1690. Just like that. Look at that. 17 pennies, guys. KITT. The kitty. This should be like Musty's favorite stock. I don't know why Musty's not in this stock. Musty? Like the kitty? You don't want to be in the kitty? Sheesh. Thank you very much, Pablo. Pablo says, yeah. So Pablo posted the 3:30 stuff. So thank you very much, Pablo. I promise I'll fix it by tomorrow, Pablo. Yeah, 69.69. Anyways, there goes GME 42.50 almost. Send it. Tomorrow is a big day. Buy calls 42.60. Uh, you can tell how far his company has come over the last 3 years. Tomorrow he's taking away the yeah. No, Pablo. I promise. Tomorrow. For 2069. Let's go. There goes $43, guys. Right. So clearly GME is playing out as we think it's gonna play out. Right. It's all just hype. Every once in a while, I think you're gonna get a fat red candle, but then people just buy the dip because the catalyst is still ahead. Right. Whenever the catalyst is ahead of you, people want to buy into the catalyst. As soon as that thing finishes, oh Lord have mercy. And on a Friday, oh Lord have mercy, that thing is gonna get slapped so hard, um, so hard. La la la. Keep it for 2069. Let me see here. Uh, Highest price will be. Um, uh, let's see. A double top at $80. Uh, do, do, do. 43. It will drop tomorrow once goes live. It's taking up to 200. I hope so. I hope so. I think the number is like 70 something dollars for him to become a billionaire. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy, isn't it? Uh, uh, there you go, 43.60, guys. We're just creeping up, right? Just creeping up. I hope GME doesn't go down. Um, I hope GME just keeps going up, right? Uh, yeah. Still hot for 3 plus. I have no idea. I haven't looked at Wisa in the last hour or so. So I don't know. GME looking good. Soda 15. I hit the stock. Mike, at least Mikey, you sold not red though. That's good. If you set a stop loss on GME, it will. No, your stop loss does not work after hours. There you go. Has he ever done a live stream before? I have no idea. I not a clue. Like I said, I've never heard the dude's voice. I've never yeah. So 37% and 12%. Yup. Yep, yep. AMC does look okay though. It's following along, but nothing. No way that thing runs as much as GME, of course, right? So GME is the one that's being pumped, not AMC. AMC just follows like all the other plays. Like if you're looking for sympathy plays, like KOSS is another sympathy play. There's a whole bunch of sympathy plays. Um, he was live 3 years ago. Oh, okay, yeah, I have no idea. I never really watched these guys. Obviously, we streamed GME and AMC for a long, long time. We never, because those dudes like would used to say things that I'm like, damn. I don't know if I believe that, but don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. So don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Yeah, KITT looks good. I bet you it's the vibe, Archer. Yeah, it's the kitty vibe. Anyways, GME is going for $44, guys. $44 would be a different story. He seems smarter than. Oh yeah, Pablo. Yeah, there goes $44, guys. Oof. Uh, can we can we go to a different chart? GME tomorrow kicking in. Oh yeah, no. GME is going for the highs of the day. GME just double tapped the highs. Double tap the highs. So hopefully that's not a double top, but it looks like it for now. Again, nice and steady. Yep. So, don't again, like I said, this is not a surprise to anybody, right? People like to FOMO into stuff when they have something to look forward to. So clearly, it's tomorrow, right? You hope it drops one more time. Yeah, they're gonna be random drops for sure. Mm, I like it.
Thank you, Chairwoman Waters, Member McHenry, members of the committee. I'm happy to discuss with the committee my purchases of GameStop shares and my discussions of their fair value on social media. It is true that my investment in that company multiplied in value many times. For that, I feel enormously fortunate.
I might need to, yeah, I might need to upload this on the stream, Musty. There goes new highs of the day, GME. New highs of the day. Obviously, AMC is going to be pumping too, right? So AMC is retesting that $6 resistance. Lena, did you ever get back into AMC? Again, Kitty looks good. AMC looks good. GME is just on fire, fire. And then it would be game on for sure. You didn't. Why not? At least you got into GME though, so congratulations. At least you got into that. Mm, yeah, I need to download that thing, Musty. And hold some. Yeah, I had a call. I had a one-on-one yesterday, and one of the people that I had a one-on-one with, it was a good one-on-one. I like the vibe. It was good. It's always nice to chat to people like one-on-one. It's different. Well, it's nice to, anyways. And they were holding GME at their average for GME was $42, and GME was at $28 yesterday, right? 28, something like that, in the 20s. So, and now they're back to break even, so that's good, right? That's good. That's good. So, yep. Hopefully GME keeps going. I was here since you started 3 years ago with the AMC squeeze. Yeah, yeah. No, we've streamed like every squeeze for the last few years now. From you name a squeeze, and we've been here. AMC. Don't think we've missed any squeeze. So then again, we don't miss anything because we like to make monies, huh? uh, yeah. Uh, yeah. Anyways, the meme board it did. Yeah, I'm not surprised. The more you look at that name and the more you hear like Roaring Kitty, the more you're like, interesting. Okay, what's the connection? Lauren, those calls are up 300%. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done, skis. If I missed your question, sorry. I think I missed the question. What is that? Oh, interesting. Good afternoon, Alan. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Your calls are up 1200%. Let's go. Congratulations, Conwell. Yeah, if you bought some GME calls, those calls are printing. Not just because GME is pumping up, also because GME has a like. So when you play with options, sometimes I know there's a word for it. I'm just blanking. But the direction and people's expectations, um, always really really important when it comes to options. Really important, right? So yes, the stock is pumping, but people are also expecting it to keep pumping. So then it's really exciting. Perfect. Uh, let's see. Okay, let me. I just need to. Let's go GME. Perfect. La, 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 la. Let, uh, 3 times. There we go. Thank you very much. I just had to a thumbnail. Are you guys ready for a new thumbnail on the stream? You ready? Okay, let me upload a new thumbnail. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, it's not on there yet. I'm gonna change it in so change thumbnail. Uploading. that saved? Okay, perfect. Let me know what you guys think of the thumbnail. If you can see it. I don't know if you can see it though. Uh, let's see. I'm gonna use that same one tomorrow. La 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 la. Yeah, Lauren crushed it on those. It's because of our group that let's go, Lauren. Let's go. It's because of our group that I'm holding a GME call up 300%. Well done, Lauren. Love it. Love it. Crazy day for you for the stream, Cornwell. I hope so. I like chaos. If you're not a member, you're missing out. Lauren is up 300% on GME calls, guys. Lauren says if you're not a member, you're missing out. So again, come join us in Discord. Uh, let's go. What, Virgo? What? I don't need. I need more details. More details. I'm kidding. Anyways, Lorenda, thank you. On GME, Sponge God, congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. Sponge, yeah, good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Did the market recover like that? Yeah, we did. Perfect. KITT looks good still. There's a little bit of resistance there for KITT though at 1740, but yeah. Oh, the 300%. How much, Virgo? Yeah, no, that's good. You have a feeling it's gonna drop big at some point. GME is gonna drop. For now though, oh, that thing looks good. I think there's gonna be drops every once in a while. Like these massive drops just to scare people a little bit. Um, and then the dip is gonna get bought up unless the company does something stupid, like do an offering or something. And maybe Roaring Kitty is gonna be wasting his time at that point. Okay. Uh, this one was 500 million in option premiums to GME. Yup. Yup. Let's all buy one share together and they cross 45. No, that's how we end up in jail. Anyways, there goes $45 for GME. So GME, everybody's buying the dipskis. At noon, Kenny? Yeah, this is the stream, Kenny. This is the stream. Do do do. La 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 la. Yeah, no. Come on, break above 45. So I like GME going into the close. Well, there goes GME. We just broke out 45.50 for GME. And it looks like it's a bit of a scam because that candle came right back below. So that 45 resistance is still intact. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh, there we go. Back above 45. $45. Ken? Making FOMO monies? I like it. What are you making FOMO monies in, Ken? What are you making FOMO monies in? Let me know. What did you buy? There goes KITT looking good still. I'm gonna need to change some of these. I'm telling you, Tesla is a meme stock. Uh, the meme stocks. GME. Okay, nice, good, 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 good. Uh, Yeah, GME is cooking. GME is just cooking now. 46. Woof. GME is having the close. Woof, 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 woof. Cooking. GME cooking. Cooking GME. 46 pennies. Give us $50 already. Two, 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 two. Uh, Cooking. 47 incoming. Woof. Cooking. Uh, to see what happens. Yeah, $47. That's a nice push. They're losing control. You should have bought more GME, Jeff. Yeah, yeah. That's okay though. More tomorrow. Actually, Michelle posted edible earlier today. Nice, nice, Michelle. Very, very, very nice. $47. Highs of the day. Right. So again, the plan kind of seems intact. There you go. Yes. Yes. At some point, you just had to FOMO. At some point, you have to take a YOLO call or something. Uh, yes, Jeff. Yes, 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 yes. KITT. And it just keeps going higher. That thing is not stopping. I want to see what Lawrence calls end the day at though. Yeah, I want to see what Lawrence calls end the day at. Sheesh. There you go. You have a line like right at 47.50. Let me zoom out a little bit on GME here. Hey yo, oh my goodness, where have you been, Leandro? Where have you been? Let me look at the daily here really quickly. Um, hmm, there's nothing that really stands out to me on the daily. I'm gonna look at the 4 hour. I like looking at the 4 hour a lot more than anything else because I look at the 4 hour and I can see exactly what Virgo is referring to. Right? You see that resistance at 47.48 right there. There is a line right there. Right? So and that's a level that we failed at a few times in the past. I think that's that same night though that GME really exploded and gapped up. We struggled around this price. So there can be a little bit of resistance here, right? So just be aware that there's resistance here. Do I think it's going to struggle? I think the hype is especially going into tomorrow. I think the hype is there, but again there's a double top there. 47.50, nice Virgo. 47.50. Yeah, Virgo says, get me the hell out. It's a double top. Yeah, so 47.50. When was that? That was a few days ago, right? When GME had that big run. Yeah, from $20 to 47.50. That's kind of where it hit and then said bye bye to the abyss, right back to $20. So, do I think that's going to be the case this time? I don't think so. Just because again, there is a catalyst that is coming up. Uh, yeah. There goes Virgo's. Virgo's dumping it on TradingView. Can you please hit the guarded? What is that, anyways? I didn't even read it. Yeah, they're irritating. Yeah, just tell me. Just tell me that the notifications are irritating. I'll turn them off. They're pretty annoying to me. But sometimes when I'm on stream and there's a whole bunch of stuff, I just don't remember. So yeah, just tell me. Uh, uh, they should. There you go. So clearly that double top is resistance. It's been there all day. Sorry. Sorry. So let's see if we can dip, right? Retest this previous breakout for GME at 45 and stay above 45, right? So that's your last resistance. So again, 45 hit back off and then breakout and then retest. So if GME can stay above $45, then it's fine. Yeah, Envos. I see Envos spamming in Discord, Joe. Uh, Bitstamp for 200 million. Interesting. Robinhood CEO is yeah coming up on Fox Business. This event is enough to get through, but you wait. Yeah, absolutely, that's fine. There you go. Yeah, no, as long as we stay above $45, we're basically just retesting a breakout and staying above it. No resistance, just a challenge. Let's be positive. Okay, fine, just a challenge. It's bouncing already. We're almost back to 47. So AMC is gonna do whatever GME does. So if GME keeps pumping, AMC is gonna follow. For now, though, AMC has a lot of resistance at $6. Like AMC is gonna need a miracle to break above $6. Well, that miracle might just be GME breaking above 50, though. But yeah, as you can see, though, there's a lot of resistance up there. 590 to $6 for AMC. Uh, Again, keep in mind, like AMC only does crazy things if GME does crazy things. AMC is not the play. GME is the play, right? So let's GME is less than $1 from the highs of the day. AMC is falling like somebody pushed it off the bridge. Pretty please, let's go. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Give us 47. Holo's a sympathy play to GME both. Yeah, there are a lot of meme stocks. There are a lot of meme stocks. If GME goes, there are a lot of meme stocks will follow. Uh, uh, Everybody's going to be spamming that tonight now. AIM. What a time for my broker to crash. Oh my goodness. LFLY with a nice little pop. There you go. A free AMC chocolate. uh, that's all they gave you for bag holding AMC. Free chocolate. Sheesh. All in on AMC and GME. Yeah. Will this affect Doge in any way? I doubt it. I doubt it. We've seen again, like, unless GME really like rockets, we've seen meme stocks affect meme coins, right? If just to some degree, like if GME like really rallies, I'm sure Doge would move too. To find which one has the membership official. Keep testing. It's not this one. Is no chance to see AMC at $15. What do you think? I think that's very unlikely. I mean, again, if GME is pushing above $100, so if you think GME goes above $100, maybe AMC is gonna push above 10. But that's hope though. Okay. Caleb, okay, this is your real account then. Yeah, you found the right one. Always go for the cookies, Dan. Ayo Adash, you got in GME at $29. Stop loss suggestions. Very nice. Do you have enough? Do you have enough? Do you have enough to scale out and then hold the rest? Your stop loss isn't going to work after hours anyways, and the markets close in 20 minutes. So setting a stop loss on GME, I mean, the only thing you could do now is maybe say, okay, I want it to stay above $40, right? But other than that, if you're holding GME overnight, you're maybe just scaling out some and then thinking if you want to hold the rest overnight for tomorrow. But good job though. Like either way, you should walk away in the green unless again something crazy happens. But there's nothing wrong with scaling out if you want to, right? With yeah, a Korean broker. Doge is falling off a cliff. Yeah, exactly. Like GME and AMC would need to pump for Dogecoin to follow. Yeah, crypto selling off. Let me look at Mara again here. Damn. Okay. Uh, a dash. Meh. Meh. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, no, I think a lot of people on this stream are going to be watching that tomorrow. That's completely fine, right? It would be interesting to see. I mean, you guys can watch and tell me what he's saying because I'm going to be here anyways. But yeah, you guys can listen and tell me what he's saying, right? So look, it looks like we're double topping for AF for GME guys, right? So again, Virgo prompted us to look at that 4 hour time frame, right? Look at the 4 hour time frame, right? Last week, was it last week? June 3rd, right? So June 3rd, GME had that big run, and then failed right there at 47.50 ish, right? Guess what? Today we've done the same thing, right? Copyright stuff, Catalyst, right? So again, same. So June 3rd, and then today, same. And now we're breaking below 45. So good exit, Virgo, right? So a criminal is right, Tesh. Um, but yeah, we'll see. So most likely, again, so dipskis now, and then watch that thing come back up. Yeah. The 4 hour time frame. I like the 4 hour time frame. Sometimes you look at the daily, like we looked at the daily, right? So we looked at the daily and we couldn't find anything there, Virgo. But just the 4 hour time frame, you get to see a lot more things that you don't really see. And honestly, if you sold that thing at 47, congratulations, you're happy for now, right? But we talked about that 47 when it was up there, and now it's selling off. So it's not like, oh my God, surprise, we missed it. Nope. Right. So again, 47.50 resistance, and now it's dipping. So 42, 42, 42.50 is your next support there. 42.50. Let's see if we can stay above that level. Doo, 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 doo. Uh, yeah, Virgo. Honestly, like we put those lines there, and like we never remember why those lines are there. But it's good to have them there, though. Like when you pull lines in your charts, just leave them there, because they will save you like this, and then you can always get back in cheaper, right? Below $40. Oh yeah, probably. It has to go down to go up. Let's go, Garrett. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, I think we're gonna be here into the close, and then a little bit after hours as well, right? We want to see if some crazy things happen after hours before we hop off, and then we're gonna be back tomorrow, obviously. The other thing, though, the other stock that's doing really well for now, though, I know we're only paying attention to GME and meme stonks, um, is LFLY, Lively. Right? That thing is actually crushing it. Again, this thing broke out and it's crushing, right? So you have resistance there, you have a double top, you have a breakout. So LFLY, that thing is crushing it. This one's been spammed in Discord a few times already. So if you got that, congratulations. Alrighty, congratulations. Congratulations. And then the other meme stock that we like, we're calling it a meme stock. We're calling it a meme stock because it's our meme stock. Kitty, KITT is back to 1760, guys. I'm telling you, people are FOMOing into this stock because of Roaring Kitty. I'm not even surprised. Uh, Not even surprised, guys. Right? So, yeah. Can we get back above 20 cents? Back about 20 cents, Kitty. GME is bouncing already, so that is good. AMC is meh, whatever, right? And back to GME here. Well, it's gonna look at something else. After hours, you think so? You think we dump after hours? That was a really good shout, by the way. So again, if you're not a member yet, Steve posted in the premium channel in Discord that there was a gap to fill at 14 cents, right? 14 cents, that thing exploded. Look at that beautiful double bottom. What kind of, right? 14 cents. 14 cents, boom, 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 right? So really nice shout there. So if you bought the dip, congratulations, because that thing looks good. 14 pennies. I told you guys Steve would be a legend, right? Yup, yup, yup. I'm glad Steve finally joined this squad though. Let's hope someone's protecting Suna 7. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work, but it's gonna be interesting though. Like holding that again, he's holding millions of dollars worth of GME, right? Um, I mean, again, that thing goes to $70, he's gonna be a billionaire or something like that, right? So how do you hold that big of a position and try and pump the stock at the same time and not end up in jail? Hmm. It's addicting again. Yeah, love it. We're back to $46 already, guys. Everybody's buying the dip on GME, right? I thought, here you go. VS is also pushing there. VS, let's go. There goes 46 pennies. 46 pennies. Watch the. I know I need to upload it. It's 5 minutes long, Musty. 5 minutes long. 5 minutes long, musties. Okay, let me start the downloading process. Unbelievable. Mm, back to almost 47. So, as much as we're worried about resistance on stuff like this, that catalyst is strong. So strong catalyst. Okay, let me download that musty. Uh, Steve, do you have TradingView, Steve? Let me know if you do. Let me know if you do. What do you use for your technicals? Uh, just made a the username. Okay, perfect. There you go. That's the username at the bottom of the chat. Okay, let me upload this here. So if you're not sure who, so the dude's real name is Keith, by the way, Keith Gill. So this was this little video was done like back in 2020 whatever, right? So when after the first GME run, Musty sent this video over, so we can kind of watch this and see. It's just again, it's an old video of Roaring Kitty. It's uploading here, so I'm just waiting for it to be done uploading. It's taking its sweet time. It's processing. Uh, Donut, yeah. Okay, there you go. Steve, all you have to do is go to indicators. Maybe refresh, go to indicators. Um, you're gonna see a thing on the bottom left that says invite only. Click on invite only, and then click on the only invite only indicator you have, and then you should be good to go.
Thank you, Chairwoman Waters, Ranking Member McHenry, members of the committee. I'm happy to discuss with the committee my purchases of GameStop shares and my discussions of their fair value on social media. It is true that my investment in that company multiplied in value many times. For that, I feel enormously fortunate. I also believe the current price of the shares demonstrates that I've been right about the company. A few things I am not. I am not a cat. I am not an institutional investor, nor am I a hedge fund. I do not have clients, and I do not provide personalized investment advice for fees or commissions. I'm just an individual whose investment in GameStop and posts on social media were based upon my own research and analysis. I grew up in Brockton, Massachusetts. My family was not wealthy. My father was a truck driver, and my mom a registered nurse. I was one of 3 kids and the first in my family to earn a 4-year college degree when I graduated from Stonehill College in 2009. That was not a good time to be looking for a job. From 2010 to 2017, I worked at few startup companies, but there were significant periods when I was unemployed. I took an interest in the stock market, and even though I had very little money, I used those times to educate myself and learn more about investing. In April 2019, after nearly 2 years unemployed, I accepted a marketing and financial education job at MassMutual. My wife Caroline and I were thrilled that I had an income and benefits. My job was to help develop financial education classes that advisors could present to prospective clients. I was not a stockbroker or a financial advisor. I did not talk to clients, and I did not recommend stocks for them to buy. Before and after I joined MassMutual, I studied and followed stocks. One of those was GameStop. In early June of 2019, the price of GameStop stock declined below what I thought was its fair value. I invested in GameStop in 2019 and 2020 because, as I studied the company, I became more and more confident in my analysis. Two important factors, based entirely on publicly available information, gave me confidence that GameStop was undervalued. First, the market was underestimating the prospects of GameStop's legacy business and overestimating the likelihood of bankruptcy. I grew up playing video games and shopping at GameStop, and I plan to continue shopping there. GameStop stores still provide real value to consumers and reliable revenue for GameStop. Second, I believe that GameStop has the potential to reinvent itself as the ultimate destination for gamers within the rapidly growing $200 billion gaming industry. GameStop has a unique opportunity to pivot toward a technology-driven business. By embracing the digital economy, GameStop may be able to find new revenue streams that vastly exceed the value of its business. I am hardly the only person who has advocated these points. When I wrote and spoke about GameStop in social media with other individual investors, our conversations were no different from people in a bar or on a golf course or at home talking or arguing about a stock. Hedge funds and other Wall Street firms have teams of analysts working together to compile research and analyze shares of companies. Individual investors do not have those resources. Social media platforms like Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter are leveling the playing field. The idea that I use social media to promote GameStop stock to unwitting investors and influence the market is preposterous. My post did not cause the movement of billions of dollars into GameStop shares. It is tragic that some people lost money, and my heart goes out to them. But what happened in January just demonstrates again that investing in public securities is extremely risky. As I said earlier, I consider myself and my family fortunate with our investment. When the stock price broke $20 in December, I knew my investment was a success. I was so happy to visit my family in Brockton for the holidays. The money will go such a long way for us. We had an incredibly difficult 2020. Most difficult was the tragic and unexpected loss of my sister Sarah in June. I am grateful to be in a position to give back to and support my family. As for what happened in January, others will have to explain it. It's alarming how little we know about the inner workings of the market. And I am thankful that this committee is examining what happened. I also want to say that I support retail investors' right to invest in what they want, when they want. I support the right of individuals to send a message based on how they invest. As for me, I like the stock. I'm as bullish as I've ever been on a potential turnaround for GameStop, and I remain invested in the company. Thank you. Cheers, everyone.
Did you guys see the picture of the cat on the little poster behind him? And also, yeah, the stock price back then is the same price now, almost. Isn't that funny? Cut your hair, dude. Yup. Yeah. The only thing I would say though is like again, the hype is there for sure. It's like I like the stock. I'm as bullish. Anyways, just make sure you don't hold the bag, please. Begging you, please don't hold the bag. Don't diamond hand this time. Make sure you pay yourself on the way up. Cheers, everyone. I don't know, maybe. I know that's a sign. Well, back to $47, right? So the hype is clearly there, and it's gonna be there until tomorrow. Just be careful. Like when you hold stuff overnight, you know you're taking a big risk, right? If you're not the type of person to take risky plays, you know this is a really good run. Like it's up 50% today. Secure your monies and come back tomorrow, right? The markets close in 5 minutes, so again, don't make sure you don't put all your monies in and then stay overnight, and then hopefully it works out though. Uh, yeah, no, that's good though. That's good. That's good. What else are we looking at here? AMC. AMC looks okay still. Same resistance though. GME almost looks like it wants to pop into the close. Like it wants to push into the close. No, 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 no. Yup, the shorts entered. There you go. Since 2022, Kevin. My goodness. In that video, that's where we're going. 48.50. Send it. Well, I mean, we're back to the highs of the day, guys. Right. So again, we had resistance at 47.50, and then we sold off. We're back to the. We just tapped the highs of the day again, and there goes brand new highs of the day for GME. So clearly the momentum is there. A close at or above 50 would be wild. Then I think people would be pumping after hours. Pumping. What's the deal? What's the ideal entry? You missed it. Again, it was 14, closer to 14 cents. Closer to 14 cents was the entry on KITT. Right? You don't want to be buying that thing with all the hype into the close here, unless it's breaking out after hours. You might just want to wait. 47. If you're planning on holding GME overnight, type in yes in the chat. Using a short-term covered calls. Covered calls. If you're planning on holding overnight, type in yes. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. A lot of yeses. Yep. Oh, I know a lot of you guys are going to be holding. So there goes another fail again at the same resistance. I don't know if we have enough time, Musty. There's only 3 minutes left. It might break out after hours. Yeah. If I was interested in GME puts, I would look for GME puts tomorrow morning if that thing was pumping into that thing, because that's when the hype gets. Who knows how long he's streaming for too? It might be like a 5 minute stream and then it gets shut down. Watch YouTube not work tomorrow. Just watch. YouTube is gonna be broken tomorrow, or he's gonna try and go live and it's not gonna work. It's gonna be like it's been shut down. Um, and then some funny stuff happens like that, right? All of a sudden, all of YouTube is not working anymore. Yep, probably official, probably. No, hopefully everything works out and everybody makes money and then we move on. Somebody's gonna cry though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to invite him to come stream. Like your stream is not working, just come hang out. Actually, then we're both gonna go to jail. I don't think I want him on here. We're both gonna end up in jail. So yep, because I mean, like we talk about technicals, like we mostly rely on technicals. People like that don't rely on technicals. They rely on like vibes and like behind the curtain research. Um, Stuff like that scares me. Stuff like that scares me. So yeah, it's okay. Uh, RYDE looking good into the close too. Uh, is not there. Number gets lost, Albert. Yeah, hopefully nothing crazy happens. I bet you something crazy is gonna happen though. It looks like we're gonna close right at resistance. We have what 40 seconds left, guys. That's a pretty good close though. At least we're closing at resistance. And well, actually, no, I lied. The market's just closed, guys. This would be a good time to break out though. This would be the perfect time to break out because again, there's less resistance, right? Oh yeah, here it goes. Here goes GME, and GME just made new highs of the day, guys. There it is, $48 and right back down. So again, extreme volatility after hours. We're right back below again. So seems like somebody doesn't want to let it break out. They're like, nope, 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 don't let it break out. Since Doge, yeah, be very careful. My Nvidia options tomorrow, mini. So not tomorrow, on Monday, they're gonna get adjusted, split adjusted. She keeps saying Wisa. Let's go. I like it. You guys are gonna be saying this all night. Wisa, all night. So I like it a lot. Love it. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Again, we're gonna hang on for a few more minutes though, like 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. Yeah, let's do 30 more minutes already. 30 more minutes, and then let's just watch GME for now. And all the other stocks after hours. Veru had some news, and it's actually doing well. VERO. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. They may do another, but it was recent. Yeah, you never know. We've seen AMC do like back to back offerings, so you never know. La 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 la. Do you think he's going to jail? Lee? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how you can buy like yeah, I don't know how you can have a position that's worth millions of dollars, um, and then go on a YouTube live stream and talk about it. I don't know. I don't know. Millions and millions and millions. I mean that thing goes up another 100%. The dude is gonna be a billionaire. So I don't know because I don't think anybody else can do that. Yeah. Hassan, when did you what did you lose that money in? Tesla does? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess he always talks about Tesla though as from like from a CEO point of view though, right? As someone that owns the company. If you notice, like he rarely ever talks about the stock price of Tesla, right? Even when like someone says, "Hey Elon, what do you think about the stock price?" He will somehow turn that into like the company is doing really well. So yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. He's consulting with yeah, I bet you he is too, Dan. You have to. Overpriced. I mean, that was a negative thing though, Musty. It wasn't like he was out there pumping it. Let's go, Emil. Let's go. Emil said, you know, 2 weeks ago I said I lost $4,000 all back in GME. Come on, Emil. Give me a high five. Well done. Congratulations. Yeah, we're back to $47. Like all the dips are getting bought. Yeah. Yeah, Azul, that's, yeah, we'll see. Nothing he's doing is illegal. It's possible that the position public and Morgan Stanley can, yeah, yeah. You just wish though people could do stuff like that, and people make money because a lot of people are making money in GME, right? You wish people would do stuff like that, and everybody benefits, and then everything is okay. But there's some stupid rule somewhere like oh blah 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 blah. Someone doesn't want people to win, right? That's the people you have to worry about. It's not that we think he's doing anything wrong. Just somebody always finds something. Approved every post. Yeah, Kenny. Oh wow. Okay. FFIE with a nice little pop. FFIE. Yeah. He's not allowed to, must he? Yeah. I mean, that dude most likely has a lot more money though. So imagine he made $100 million. The last time GME ran. Right. And then imagine he took $25 million and put it back this time. I mean, that's nothing. Dude is still rich, rich, right? Rich, rich. So that's something you always have to think about, guys. When you're playing with the stock, You have to understand that like not everybody like whoever is pumping the stock is not in the same position as you. Like if you lose your $5,000, you're gonna cry. If that dude loses 25 million, he's gonna be like, whatever. I still made so like not everybody is in the same position. Always remember that. So don't go listening to other people as you lay under the bridge. GRI with a nice pop. A whole bunch of pops after hours here. Nothing that's consistent though. You bet G Wave and you lost 80% catalyst. Yeah, don't. I mean, the fact that you bought it and you just left it there to go down 80% is a problem. $64. That's all he needs. Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? Crazy, crazy. $64. That's it. I thought it was in the 70s. I thought it was in the 70s. La, 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 la. In the 70s. Virus, have a wonderful rest of the day. Drive safe. See you tomorrow. See you in Discord. Yeah, clearly you can see though, like that resistance we've been talking about today is strong, right? Look at that resistance, guys, right? Last week it was the same resistance. Today it's the same resistance. Like this level is huge for GME. The one good thing for GME though is that GME is still trending up, right? We're clearly still trending up, so that's a good thing. But this resistance is huge, huge, huge. Yeah, at some point we're gonna hop off. I'm sure though, like all night tonight, all day tomorrow, we're gonna be talking about GME in the morning, right? So it's $70. Yeah, I thought it was something like that too, Hassan. Anyway, so if you're not a member yet, guys, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Emil, YOLO options, you know. Anyways, so if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Still working your way back, Tim? Yeah. Take smaller losses, please. Take smaller losses, guys. Alrighty. Overnight seems to be. It looks really good, Brian. Right. The only thing you have there is that resistance at the top. For now, again, like I said, if I were in your position, again, I'm not sure what your average, what your entry is. What did you get in at? What did you get in at, Brian? Let me know. I need a Raven 1-on-1. Let's go. La 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 la. Lauren, good job today, by the way. Lauren crushed on GME options. Well done. Have a wonderful evening. See you in Discord. See you later. And then, yeah. Thanks, Mohammed. Thank you very much. $3,000 and didn't use leverage. What does that have to do with anything, Mohammed? Oh, you mean like on FFIE? Because Tim lost money. Mm. Anyways, resistance. Have a great night, Furion. Oh, you mean like the lost money in FFIE? Yeah, I mean, you live and you learn, though, right, Mohammed? You live and you learn. You live and you learn, right? I again, we were screaming for FFIE. We were screaming like if FFIE goes below what was it $3.50, it's gonna sell off 350, right? So and it crashed. So we played with that thing from 5 cents, 10 cents, all the way to almost $4. And we gave the warning at the top. So stop losses, please. Mm, tomorrow, do you think Jay, are you green or red on those calls? If you're red on those $6 calls, yeah, VERU is doing really well. Ooh, that thing is flying, guys. You guys want to see the after hour monster? Let's go. That thing is sending it 106% already. 106%, $1.22. Woof, woof. Again, if you're not a member yet, and you're missing out. Missing out. 126. So that's a really nice push. Really nice push. $1.30. $1.30. $1.30. That's a really nice push, though. A really nice push. So one second. I'm just scrolling back a bit here. 16. There goes 135, guys. New highs of the day. By the way, so again, that alert came through in Discord, right there. That was your alert, right? So that was your alert. Again, for those of you guys that are not Legend members yet, you're missing out big time, right? Again, that was your alert, right there on the breakout. Yeah, right around 3 exactly, right? So that was your alert, and the damn thing is flying still. So for those of you guys that are not Legend members yet, and you're like, but, you're missing out, missing out, and it's still flying. Ooh, 45, 45. So we weren't talking about this in Discord, but I mentioned it on stream. But I mentioned it because it went off the alert, right? So no excuses, zero. Anyways, I think Catalyst was just upgrading. So Catalyst, yeah, Catalyst, I just upgraded to Legend. There it goes. It's not stopping, guys. Oh my days. 167%, guys. 57. Woo. Sending it. Let's go, Catalyst. Welcome to Legends. 160% may fall, and GME clever. They want to finish many accounts, especially short buyers. But yeah, there you go. A really nice push there. So again, congratulations if you got into this one. We are talking about VERO. If GME reaches 20 by oh, that's a bit silly, isn't it? Just some weird stats. $154. Send it, send it, send it, send it. So again, if you're not a member yet, or if you're not a Legend member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots, and upgrade or come join us in Discord. Right. So again, that thing got alerted in Discord right there, right, right there, right below 70 pennies, and that thing just doubled, right? Pump it, pump it. Send it. Anyways, well, we're still watching GME, of course. GME isn't doing anything, but it's holding the base, so that's fine. Usually, when stocks run after hours, well, like what I mean is when stocks run, what am I trying to say here? Um, Stocks without a catalyst, right? So just momentum stocks. This is a little bit different. Like VER is a bit different because there's actually a catalyst. But when stocks that you're watching, just momentum stocks run, they usually don't run immediately. It's usually like later in the day and after hours. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. La, la. There you go. Oh, no, 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 no. One second. Trying to. Oh, yeah. There are a lot of YOLOs on GME actually. A lot of YOLOs. Peggy just had some news too. Peggy, blah 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 blah. That's the news for Peggy. There you go. Yeah. La 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 la. There you go. Yeah, Steve answered your question at the bottom there. I missed it. What does that mean, Christian? Compliance. It means they can stay. Discord link. Okay, I'll send you a link. It means they can stay listed on the Nasdaq instead of getting delisted. They can stay on the exchange. FBLG is popping again back towards $12. PTPI is pushing a bit. Catalyst. This is your invite at the bottom of the chat. Um, so yeah, click that link and then just follow the steps in the getting started channel. Let me execute. No, 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 no. There you go. Yeah, exactly. So, without going to the OTC, yeah. So let's see. Dennis got out at 145, and Dennis got in at. Let me scroll back up here. I was a little bit distracted. So Dennis got in at 77 cents, guys. Right. So again, that alert went off at just below 70 cents. Dennis got in at 77 cents, all the way to $1.45. Dennis, well done. Do you think Dennis's membership is paid for, guys? Karan, you're slacking still. Upgrade to legend, Karan. You're slacking. You're missing it. Right. So again, in at 77 cents because he's a legend. Out at $1.45. So well done, Dennis. Yeah, exactly, Steve. And they fall just as hard. Exactly. So secure your monies and move on. Right. $1.50 ish would have been a good spot to take profits, anyways. GME is still just consolidating, guys. It looks like it's setting up for a breakout, hopefully. Right. The fact that we keep coming back up is to that resistance is a good sign. And Azul is just salivating for the breakout. He's just smiling and waiting. Uh, I sold for small profit. I 70. Okay, so 25 shares. So you sold 25 shares of GME at 46. You have 75 shares left. Okay, $50. No, 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 not no, 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 no. Okay, sounds good. Good job. Yup. Yeah, GNS is doing well. Let's see if Varu can find a way to test $1.20 and then turn back around. If it does, then that would be a good thing. GNS testing the highs of the day. This one is the biggest pump and dump stock out there though, but like it pops with no volume and then drops for no reason. To go live on X, I bet you he is. I bet you he is. And Hassan, yeah, exactly. Uh, yeah. In stock general. Hmm. Okay. Let me listen.
Blaze, Prof, Visa.
Uh, oh, that's wild. Uh, that's Tesh's wife, by the way. That's Marianne. Hi, Marianne. I love it. Love it. Oh, that made my day. Aye. Are you in it? Are you in LPA, Joe? Weesa. Just tweeted an update, Miss Lola. Let me take a look. Loading. Just tweeted an update. I don't see it. Was it a retweet or something like that? The last tweet I see is the. I don't see any new tweets on this page. No new tweets. Is heavy? What do you mean heavy? Yeah. It. Thank you. La, 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 la. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, so that's the update, like an updated, but that's not on Twitter though. That's on Reddit. That's on Reddit. That's a lot of monies, isn't it? It's a lot of monies. Yeah, I just thought it was something else. I saw that one. Yeah, 380 million. He went live, didn't he? No, not yet. Yeah, thank you, ST. Do you do live after market, Eugene? We hang for a little bit longer, but then we go back to Discord. Madness. Dude wants $1 billion, Kenny. $1 billion. That's okay, Daniel. That's okay. Welcome, Catalyst. How did you connect that quickly? How did you connect that quickly? No, I don't think I can, Bobby. I don't think you can live stream. You can live stream someone else's content. That like stuff like that is different. I think stuff like that is a bit different. Otherwise, we would. I don't know if we can though. Also, if they even care, right? So there goes Varu, guys, with a nice little curl. I'm going to come back to this. I just want to see what GME is doing. GME is curling back up, right? So again, it looks good. It's just consolidating right below resistance. It just has to break out, right? 4750 resistance. Come on, GME, break it. And then VURU is also trying to curl back up there. Are we going to break it? Another higher low. Uh, more reason to sign up, cough cough. Let's go. June 8th, yeah, in Discord, yeah. Someone mentioned, yeah. That's interesting, isn't it? So his birthday is on the 8th. That's Roaring Kitty. So that's Saturday, and he wants to pump GME on Friday. We shall see. There goes 47. Just break the damn wall already. My goodness. Saturday. Just break the damn resistance. Break the damn resistance, Varu. Yeah, still sitting at $1.50. Come on, GME. Don't make us wait for an hour here. Don't make us wait. Uh, that's crazy musty, isn't it? KWE with a pop. GNS targets for GNS. No, not really. GNS already has resistance at 37 cents. So no, don't really have any targets for that thing. Yeah, GME does want violence in either direction. It really does. At some point, this thing is going to take off. At some point, one of these candles will be fat red or fat green. We hope it's fat green though. Fat green candles. Just waiting. La 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 la. Massive red coming. Good luck to all. Take profits. Uh, except for Jeff. Oh my goodness. Except for Jeff, Kevin. Mm, KWE. Okay, let me look at GNS one more time here. Yeah. Moving on. Yeah, potential retest at 3160. I mean, you should. Here we go again. Here we go again. 37. Come on. 47. I'm saying 37 for GNS. 47 for GME. I'm gonna tell my grandkids Roaring Kitty was Warren Buffett. And another drop. Somebody's really fighting this thing. Someone really doesn't want it to break out. La, 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 la. No sell. Hmm. Let's go, Kevin. Let's go. Come on. Did we just break out already? Peggy. Interesting. Same with AMC. I mean, AMC doesn't look too bad, but it's at resistance as well, right? So AMC resistance $596, right? And then GME obviously 47.50. So they both kind of need to break out already. KITT. Oh yeah, the Roaring Kitty stock. KITT. Yep, clear 18 pennies, Mustafa, and then send it. Let's go, Hassan. No. Kitty rolls. There goes 1771. That's a pretty good put. That's a pretty good push because we're basically back to the highs for the second half of the day. Yeah, the spread is a bit sus, but that thing looks good. Oh, Kevin. Let me take a look. Yeah. AMC is not a sympathy play, but a pity play. Yeah, it is. AMC really is a pity play, but no, it is a sympathy play though. If GME keeps running, AMC is gonna follow. So we call let's call it a sympathy play. We saw uh when you say send it, Rob, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see where we are in 5 minutes, guys. I said we would hang out for another 30 minutes. Let's see where we are in 5 minutes. And if nothing's happening, we know something's going to happen tonight, though. And then tomorrow morning. So if nothing's happening, we can go back to Discord. Alrighty. Again, KITT looks nice. So, Catalyst, what's your position in LPA? Let me know. I'll take a look. But yeah, KITT does look good. So when we wake up tomorrow, this thing better be at. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna say any numbers, but yeah. So 18 cents here for resistance. 18 cents, 18.20 resistance, and then maybe push back to 20 cents. Mustafa. No, 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 no. Okay, I'll take a look. LPA. So you have 25 shares at $41. I'm just not sure what your question actually is, though. It seems to be holding $40 for now, which is good. Um, if I was holding this thing, no way I let this thing go below $40. No way, no way, no way, no way. So um, this is one of those like put your hands together and pray type of stocks because you just never know. You just never know. $5 profit. I hate no, 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 590. With there's no catalyst to send. I agree. Yeah, the catalyst for AMC is GME. So on there's a 96 line on the chart. $96. I mean, that thing is at $45, right? So I would be worried about $50 before you think of 90 something dollars. That thing didn't even go to $90 today. So I'm not sure why that where that 94 is coming from. Dennis, rubbish. Let's go, Kevin. I don't see it anywhere on Discord in stock terms. Oh, um, send it. Send it just means look for potential play. Send it just means I want it to go up. Uh, yep. Yeah, KOSS. KOSS. Come on, GME. Just go already. Go, go, go already. Go, go, go already. Go, go, go already. You paid three. Oh, yeah, you wanted to get into that position, right, Rose? Congratulations. That's amazing. Uh, yeah. Yeah, send it just means like we want it to go up, right? So then you have to look at it and say, okay, you know what, like does this look like a does it look like a good position for me to get into? Like full send just means we want it to go up, right? Like you want it to go up. So with that, whether that means you go then look for a position, potentially a different story. Alan, yep, won't let you do anything until 8 a.m. So if it drops, you're screwed. Yeah, that's scary, isn't it? A national theme, exactly, Hassan. Please keep going. Yeah. Yeah, no, I do like how GME is trending up though, right? Every time we dip, we create a higher low. Every time we dip, we create a higher low. So that's a good thing. But obviously, there's a lot of resistance here. No, 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 no. A lot of resistance, guys. A lot of it. No, 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 no. What's KITT doing here? Still failing at 18 cents. This one's dipping. AMC is sitting there. LPA dips, but holding. And then GME is still just sitting here. Yeah. La 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 la. USA beat Pakistan and Canada. I mean, Canada is pretty. Anyways, not gonna say anything. Not gonna say anything. Jasmine has been a monster. A monster for all the crypto players. They're gonna use Amazon to deliver their stuff. IPW. Mm, mm, mm. IPW. Come on, GME. You know this thing is waiting for us to leave, and then it's gonna be like boom, 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 and then it's gonna be non-stop fat green candles. Michael says, "I have AMC. I have an AMC question. A couple of weeks ago at 519, but the order executed around $10. Who I've been stuck with it ever since. What's the best thing to do? Sell it at a loss? Wait, so how did you buy AMC at $5, but then it executed at $10? The only way that could have happened is if it was after hours and then you put a market order in for AMC when it closed at $5 and then the next day it opened at 10 and then your order executed. Nice, Musty, nice. I think that's what usually happens. You leave your order in there and it executes. It was after hours. Yeah. Yep. 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 Anyways, yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? Yeah. Scary, scary business. Um, if I were you in your position, so again, obviously AMC has a problem at $6, right? So if you were panicking earlier with AMC, if you were concerned earlier that AMC was at $4 and going below that, now that it's finding resistance at $6, if you were panicking earlier, maybe this you might have to get rid of it. Right? The only reason why I'm hesitating is we think we know what's going to happen with GME. So if GME goes, you think AMC would break out. AMC would break above $6, right? But if that doesn't happen, then you're back to $4 at AMC. So if you were really concerned earlier, you might have to make a decision at this price. So I'd be watching GME really closely, really really closely. DP, I've seen a lot of spams like that. It's possible. IPW. Come on, GME. Come on. What the hell? Come on. Kevin, have a wonderful evening. Be safe. See you later. See you later. I do like, again, like I mentioned, I do like how GME is just consolidating at the top. So we're holding support, we're feeling our resistance. Yeah, no, I did at some point, and Jasmine looks really good, Musty. Go already, Mustafa. Go already. 1820. Sheesh. One of these things need to go, you know? Beru is trying to come back a bit from a double bottom. LPA isn't really doing much. AMC is still just sitting at resistance. And 25% for Jasmine. It's gonna be KITT and GME, isn't it? KITT does look good though. Does look good. And was up to 32 today, but he was sleeping and you didn't sell it. Damn, you're brave though for getting in a position like that on a SPAC and then going to bed. You know, very very brave, Rose. Next time, just use a trailing stop loss or something, and then you wake up to monies. Monies. Yeah, GME is just gonna tease us. Tease, tease, tease. Quran, become a legend. That thing was at 70 cents. Quran, 70 cents. It's still at $1.40. Your supporters around $1.20, $1.25. And you woke up to GME. Nice, very nice. Yeah. Low roller. Yeah. Rob mentioned that earlier. But scary if it goes down. Yeah, it is scary. I really do hope though that GME runs overnight, and then so you can easily put a stop loss into that live stream. You know, easy to manage at that point. Anyways, there goes VERO, guys. We're going back for the highs of the day. Right, so 155. That thing is looking good. Again, beautiful demand zone, right? 125, 120. We're back to the highs of the day. Oof. Ooh wee. Back to the highs of the day. That potentially is a double top though, so just be careful. Potentially a double top. That thing said you can double these. Apple has an event on Monday. Oh, okay. New highs of the day for VERO. New highs. It's 30 minutes before the market opens. No, it's noon. So it's noon Eastern time. So well after the market's opened. 167. When must he FOMO? There you go. 164. KITT, still struggling at 1820. GME, still at 46, guys. Still at 46. La, 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 la. And you don't want to look at it? Yup. Not surprised. Not surprised. NXU. Mm, there you go. Mhm. Interesting, Greg. Very interesting. We almost need to set like like a proper timer, and just leave. I just want to see what it does before we leave. Though. Either way, we're gonna see what it does because we're gonna be in Discord. I want to see it. I want to see. I want to see. You take some profits, Emil. Depending where it opens, right? You want to take some profits because it's not gonna go straight up into that thing, right? Even if it does sell off, even if it does pop, it's gonna sell off at some point and then maybe run again. So, like we could easily sell off tonight and then pop into that event and still be at the same price. And every day 50 to 80% rose. Yeah, exactly. There you go. I made back $1,200 getting in and out 3 times so far, Greg. Well done. Yeah, exactly, Albert. Always pay yourself on the way up. Oh yeah, if GME breaks above 47.50, I think they're gonna start pumping it with some fat green candles. Varu 160. La, la. It needs to close above $1.60. It's not done it yet. So as long as it doesn't do it above $1.16, then it's not doing anything. Not doing anything there. Hmm. Doo. GME. Oh wow, nice. That a dash, yeah, $100. That would be nice. That would be insane. It would be nice. Would be nice. Mm. Newbie to trading here. Why wouldn't it let you purchase GameStop currently, Hunter? Because you have to use your broker has to accept after hours, and you have to put in the order the way that the broker wants. So which broker are you using? We can walk you through how to. Not that you should, but if you're going forward, if you want to buy something after hours, there's a specific way to do it. If you even if you just search on your broker's website, it shows you how to do it. Mm, uh, on GME, Martinez, send it. As yeah, that's a lot of monies. A lot of monies, Lauren. Lorenda. Have a good day, Yi. See you in Discord. I think we're gonna hop off in a few in a minute or so, guys. So let's give it max 5 more minutes, okay? 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna be in Discord waiting for the breakout. So again, if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Sign up for the right level though. Discord community Legend of Goats and come join us. Alrighty. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Uh, a new event has been scheduled. Interesting. FBLG, yeah. Hmm. What about this thing, Musty? $10? L Martinez? Okay, good. Okay, good, 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 good. Yeah, so many different names. How do we get to Discord, Ian? You have to become a member first. It looks good above $10, Musty. So $10, and then you're looking for like 990 ish. So anyway in that range. But yeah, 170. Let's cook. There it goes. Send it, Dennis. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Give us more violence. At least we have something to this was a retest of the breakout, by the way, guys. Right, this was a retest of the breakout. Right, see that little again this little congestion of red candles. Obviously, that's a breakout. Right, so you can look at the top if you want to, but that this is also a breakout right there, and then this is the retest. So let's see how much longer it stays above $1.64. KITT. Ooh, the kits is at 1850, guys. The roaring kit. Catalyst, see you in Discord. Don't go anywhere. See you in Discord. 1850. So yeah, Ian, if you want to join us in Discord, you just have to click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Again, make sure you sign up for the right level. Discord community Legend of Goats. Legend is the one that everybody should sign up for. So click this link at the bottom of the chat. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Already. If you do it soon, and then I can send you the link to join us in Discord because we're gonna hop off in like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Sheesh, GME. GME is like, oh, you want to hop off? Let me give you a green candle. Can we just go already? My goodness. Talk about sideways. There we go. A little bit of excitement. Send it, Dennis. Send it. It's like, come back and look at me. I know, right? 46.60. Just get back about 47. Sheesh. And then yeah, KITT looks good. Veru is still struggling with the $1.60. AMC is still at resistance. Come back and look at me. Come back and look at me. Here we go, 46.80. Come on, GME. 46.87. Send it. 46.90. Ooh, $47. Just send it already. Stop teasing us. Uh, there we go. 47. Break it. Break it. 150. Seriously. Seriously. Come on. Let's go, Laura. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, let's go. Laura, welcome. Wait, you can do that? Jackie's you do you gifted memberships? You can do that? You can gift memberships without being a member? I don't think Jackie wanted to give memberships because Jackie's not a member. I think Jackie wanted to join. Jackie wanted to give memberships. Finally, Laura, I'm glad you finally joined Discord because I think you're going to be fun. Like, your personality seems like fun and fits Discord, you know? So, welcome to the community. Um, if you want to join us in Discord, so click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Alrighty, Laura? Jackie's the man? Who's Jackie? I feel like everybody knows Jackie. He's a lover? He's gifting the group. Ah, thank you very much, Jackie. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Thank you. Uh, I just don't know who Jackie is. Maybe Jackie's love from the. Interesting. Well, thank you, Jackie. Anyways, um, you got blessed today. Well, thank you. Gifts from Jackie. Jackie's a legend. Can you guys help me out understand who Jackie is? Who's Jackie? I feel like I should know who Jackie is, but then again, we just kind of have our own little space here. You know, we don't really go. What is going on? Uh, he's another YouTube GME streamer. Let's go, Jackie. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna have to come check out your stuff around the corner. Okay, thank you. Truck driver. So when you do it, just send me an email. Email is at the top there. Hot Trades X. And support you. You've been. You guys are wild. Anyways, let's go Supreme. Congratulations. That's a really good entry. He does live TA as well. Okay. Well, thank you, Jackie. Thank you. Anyways, Laura, welcome to the community. This is your as soon as you go to I know, right, Greg? It's always like that. Anyways, Laura, welcome. Finally, click this yellow link at the bottom of the chat, and then just follow the steps in the getting started channel. Alrighty. We told him to gift you, Alia. Alia. Thank you very much. Thank you. During market hours, yeah, I do. We've been on here for the for quite some time now. So thank you, Alia. Thank you for the love. Anyways, we're just watching GME, right? We're watching GME and hoping that this damn thing would break above 47.50 already, and just waiting, sitting at resistance, guys. Right? Every time we say 5 minutes, another 30 minute goes by. So he wanted to give streamers, so you were recommended. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you. VS is on fire. Yeah, I saw those VS alerts going off. I just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, VS is hitting brand new highs of the day here. Yeah, VS is spamming. So this is VS. Not sure if VS had some news earlier. This is the wrong one, by the way. So this one. Not sure if these guys had news earlier. I don't think so, but it's pumping in momentum. Na 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 na. Alrighty, so Hopefully tonight, which it looks like it wants to. Again, I do like how GME is creating these higher lows. Hopefully tonight, GME can finally break above this 47.50, and if it does, $50 incoming. Right. So again, if you're wondering where this 47.50 ish area is coming from, it's coming from the 4 hour time frame from last week. Right. So last week when GME was pumping, we failed at this exact same spot. Right. So again, this is last week on that fat green candle. So obviously that level is going to be a problem again today. So we're going to keep watching that level. Ooh, GME is popping, guys. Finally, we knew this was coming, right? Finally, here we go. Here we go. $48. Finally. Let's see where these candles close. So that 47.50, it looks like we're still sitting right against that level. Kevin, yes. Yeah. The third time Virgo. Third time is the charm, huh? Let's see if we can stay above 47.50 now. KITT is also going. Obviously, AMC is also popping. AMC finally broke above $6, guys. Right? So GME pops, AMC pops. Wow, AMC. Wow, that's impressive, isn't it? AMC said, "My turn, guys. I want to go too. I want to go. I want to go. I want to go." AMC is actually pushing. AMC is up 6% now. AMC is up. Nice. So that's a nice little push. Again, all it took was for GME to break that stupid resistance, right? KITT looks nice. It actually popped to 1920 and then came back down. So the three stocks we kind of came back with for the afternoon stream, GME, AMC, and KITT, they're all doing really well. Um, and then VERO is just kind of consolidating at the top. So hopefully that thing pushes again. Hopefully it pushes again. Finally, 49. How the hell do we leave now, right? When it's breaking it. Is it good to hold overnight? What's your position, Pro Tech? And there goes 48.50, guys. Ooh. All we had to do was break resistance. Every time we break out, people get excited and they FOMO. So that's why we were waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Can we get $50 now before we leave? Can we get $50, guys? Win $69. Is AMC still going? AMC is actually pumping. AMC is pushing. $6.30 for AMC. Nice. All those AMC bags can be saved now. There we go. 49 incoming, guys. $49. $49. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. There we go. There we go. 49. 48. 48.80 at the highs of the day for now. Uh, mm, come on. Margin call. You're up almost $1,000 today. Come on, give me a high five. Let's go, Sponge. Give me a high five. Martinez, it looks good. You got in at 18 cents. Let's go, Blair. Hello, hello, hello. 18 cents. ProTech again. That thing's been getting spammed in Discord at 14 cents, and you just got in at 18 cents. Should you hold overnight? You're gonna have to make that decision. Right? Come join us in Discord. I hope again. I like it. I hope it breaks above 19 cents and pushes for 20 cents. But your entry is a bit high. There we go. New highs of the day. Alone, Blair. Alone. Blair's in the chat. So now AMC can squeeze, guys. AMC is pumping it. Ooh, AMC. AMC is up 10% now. AMC is up 10% now. There goes AMC. 11% AMC. GME is at 49, 49.20. Give us $50. See? All it had to do was break above that resistance, guys. Once you do that, everybody gets excited and they start jumping in. Nope, nobody wants to buy a stock that's sitting below resistance. They want to let it break out first. So at some point, we might go back and retest that 47.50. I don't know if that's tonight or most likely, but anyways, for now, let's see a break above 50. Fill the gap at $40. If AMC goes to $40, the world is going to come to an end. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. Anyways, KITT looking good, guys. Yeah, there goes 19 cents. I like it. GME 49.30 now. New highs of the day. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Can we see $50 already? There goes 49.50, guys. 49.50. And broken. 49.60. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Come on, give us the 50. I would not be surprised if some people are taking profits right below $50, right? It's one of those psychological levels where people look at this and say, $50 is nice, isn't it? But yeah, anyways, I'd like to see a break above. So current high is 49.65 ish. 49.65. There it goes. We're back to the highs of the day. New highs of the day, guys. 49.70, 49.75. Send it, send it, send it, send it, send it. It looks good. Yeah, the MACD is right there. So if you look at the top, there's the MACD, there's the RSI, there's again buying versus selling, and then there's volume at the top. My cat loves. There it goes, 49.80, guys. Ooh wee! Can we get $50 already? 49.80. We have a new member in the chats. Welcome to Legends, so welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So this is your Discord invite. So click this link at the bottom of the chat and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Alrighty, welcome, so. Uh, JBL, JBL, JBL. I have no idea. AMC is stalling a bit at 645. KITT is kind of doing the same thing, stalling below 1920. VS meh. All about the GME for now. So GME is backing off right below $50. Again, that's not a big surprise, is it? People want to take some profits below $50. That's okay. And not everybody's gonna want to hold this overnight, right? So again, if you're make sure you aware that you're taking a big risk if you hold overnight. Alrighty. Hey yo, so welcome again to the community. This is the link I posted a few comments above. That's your Discord invite. So click that link, follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Let me know your list so I can join you. uh, May 20th. I have no idea. No idea, Musty. The trend pusher through. Anyways, there we go again for GME. I don't think anybody's really looking at GME and saying we're not going to break $50, right? Waking up to the crazy? Yes, you are, Eric. Yes, you are. We were close to hopping off. We just kept waiting and waiting. The reason we kept waiting is because GME just kept going sideways. And it's very rare, like I said earlier, right? It's very rare that a stock breaks out immediately when the market closes. They usually try and piss you off. They wait and wait and wait and wait, and then boom, skis. Market closed an hour and 10 minutes ago, right? It's never like immediately. It's always an hour later when these stupid stocks stop pushing. Yeah, I knew I should have. Yeah, it's different though, Eric. It's different because again, news actually came out. Well, scammy news, but there's a reason why it's been pumping. To $50. Yeah, it's just a matter of time, RS, isn't it? Just push it above $50. Just 2 hours and 50 minutes more, and you will end the stream. I know, right? I know. Yeah, exactly, Eric. Exactly. So again, that looks good. We're pushing up again. AMC has done really well, stalling at 645 though. And then KITT again, the Kitty stock. We're gonna call it the Kitty stock, okay? Even though this has no connection to, but just the fact that it has a name that Kitty, KITT, we're gonna have fun with it. Anyways, back to GME. GME is almost back to the highs of the day. Yeah. Let's see. I think again, like I said though, I think what happens is obviously like the momentum carries on. We talked about this earlier, right? Momentum carries on because people have no reason to sell it, right? Momentum carries on tonight, tomorrow. But if you're holding this thing after he's done, we know when that thing happens, during or after he's done, talking, you want to be very careful because this might be another SNL. There goes $50, guys. 49.99 Walmart rollback prices. Come on, three, two, come on. Can I get some spams in the chat for 50, guys? Spam 50 in the chat. 50, 50, spam in the chat. We hit 49.99 and then we backed off twice. 50, 50, 50. Let's see those spams. Come on. What's AMC doing? AMC is bouncing up the 9 EMA. KITT still looks fine. And but we're trying again. Come on, 50. 49.93 and back down. 49.90. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh wee. GME just slapped it. That thing said, hello, hello, hello. Is this the FBI? Yes. I would like to squeeze the stock, please. Ooh wee, GME. 51 incoming, guys. 51 incoming. There goes a break above 51. Ooh wee. Go, 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 go. 51.50. And what? And thrust. Let's go, GME. Let's go. Let's go. 52 incoming. Let's go. 52. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 52 broken. Well, actually, 52 tapped. See, there was a reason why we wanted to wait, huh? There goes 52. Is it halted, guys? I'm kidding. AMC obviously just popped two, right? If GME goes, AMC follows. Um, so keep sending it, keep sending it, keep sending it. That's the next comfort zone. Yeah, let's see if we can come back and retest $50 at some point. Obviously, you don't want that to happen, but looking good. When 60, Virgo, when 60. 420.69. So again, the momentum continues because people have a reason to hold this, right? People have a reason to believe in the hype. Let's see, $100. Send it, send it, send it, send it. Do, 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 do. If you're still holding GME, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding GME, type in yes in the chat. The entire chat is gonna go yes, 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 yes. Look at FFIE. Yeah, FFIE is another potential meme play. Azul has been spamming GME since Azul has been spamming GME in Discord for 2 days now. Right? So Azul, well done. 2 days now he's been spamming. So Azul is to say he's in is an understatement. Send it, send it, send it. You added more at $47, Bigly. Okay. I mean, you could have easily added more on the breakout, guys, right? We keep talking about how people love buying breakouts, right? And we were waiting for that damn thing to break above 47.50. So once we broke above 47.50, like we never looked back, right? 47.50 was a long time ago. Well, you know what I mean. So you could have played 47.50 on a breakout. And then holding overnight is a different question. Again, when you hold overnight, you have to understand you're taking a risk, right? There's nothing wrong with securing some profits before you hold overnight, right? You can take some profits off the table because a lot of you guys are in the 20s and the 30s, right? So some of you guys are sitting on 100% in gains anyway. So there's nothing wrong with securing some profits and then wake up tomorrow and then cry. Anyways, so you just have to understand that you're taking a risk when you buy a stock that doesn't really have a fundamental catalyst other than just hype, right? It's just hype. So you have to understand that you're taking a big risk. So make sure you're not putting your life savings and holding overnight. Because if something silly happens, we wake up in the morning and for some reason they decided to delete his YouTube channel, that's going to be a problem, isn't it? So, yep. Anyways, for now though, we do look good. So play the vibes and yeah, of course it bumps Blair. Yeah. He has a YouTube channel, Christian. He does. That's why this is pumping. So GME has been pumping all day today. Well, for the most part, the second half of the day, because the KITT dude said he's gonna go live on YouTube tomorrow. Right? He's gonna go live tomorrow on YouTube at noon Eastern time. So yeah. So then the stock has been pumping, and again, like I said earlier, right? People are holding onto this because there's a catalyst coming up, right? Just like remember Dogecoin. When Dogecoin happened, when Elon was going on SNL, there was a lot of hype. Doge went from 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents. And then the day that he came on, guess what happened? That was the high. The stock crashed to the abyss. Well, the coin crashed to the abyss. So let's see. This is the first retest of $50 here. So let's see if we can stay above $50. Yep. Yeah, during the stream it started tanking, right? So you might have GME pump, today, tomorrow, and then when the stream is starting, that's the end. Right? There goes that 50 retest. $50. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. And again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. No, 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 no. Let me see. La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. You check every 30 minutes and you get happy? Let's go. So you were up $4,000 last time we checked the mail. How green are you now? I think you are up $4,000, like close to $40, right? Earlier today. What's the number at? What happened with the stream, Christian? What do you mean? $7,000 now? Come on, let's go. Congratulations. Well done. Up $7,000. Sheesh. So what's your plan? Are you planning on holding overnight, or you're going to take some profits? You can't see. Your screen is black. Oh. Can you guys see me? Like, is the stream okay? I'll post. Yeah. You're holding. Okay, sounds good. Again, make sure you think of like locking in some part of that before you go overnight, right? So if you're holding, if you made the decision, then that's okay. Then that's completely okay. But $7,000 is good monies. Good monies. What's KITT doing, guys? Nothing there. Risky for the biscuit. There you go. Go big or go home. Let's go. Go for Canada. Go for Canada, Emil. There goes a pushback towards the highs of the day. My hope though, like my hope is that we push overnight, we push in the morning, so then we can at least set stop losses tomorrow. Right? It would be really scammy if at some point we sold off to tonight and then we're fighting back tomorrow. It would be so much easier to manage these trades if you could easily just set a stop loss tomorrow at 50, 60, 70. If we open at at those levels, and then just manage the trade into the live stream. Nobody trusts Elon. Yeah, it's not just about that though, right, Christian? It's you have the market makers that play games. It does on Robinhood, Virgo. It does on Robinhood. Yeah. No, no, I do think though it's a good thing. That's funny, Lorenda. That's a good one. I like it. It's funny though, like yeah, it's funny. It's a good thing that you cannot manage stop losses after hours. Otherwise, a lot of people would get screwed. Um, a lot of people would get screwed if you could do stop losses after hours. Even it's not a good thing. It's not the best thing that you can't have stop losses after hours. But if you could, you know what happens after hours is usually when you look at a stock after hours, the ask is $5, the bid is $4. If you set your stop loss and it hits, you're about to lose $1 on your trade, right? Ayo, Sean. Like if you look at most of these stocks, like the spread is 50 cents, $1, a lot of them, right? That's not the case for GME because again, GME has a lot of momentum and AMC has a lot of momentum. It's a bit different, but a lot of time the spread is quite large. Yeah, exactly, Christian. Yep, I know. Yep. I don't mind just staying above $50, honestly, and then go into pre-market above $50. I think we would see this as a win. You'll be back in 30 minutes. That's if we're still on stream. We're going to be in Discord for sure, though. All night spamming GME, especially if it's pumping. So, again, if you're not a member yet, make sure you become a member and come join us in Discord. If you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Sign up for Legend and come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Because FFIE is considered a meme play now. Martinez is just waiting for the squeeze. Waiting for the squeeze. La, 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 la. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so this is the retest of that $50, right? It has to happen. At some point, we had to come back and retest $50, and we can build a base above $50. I think that's a huge win. You just do what you did, Sesh. You just have to do it again. I think. All night, almost guarantee. The yeah, Eric. Yeah, probably. It depends where we open at, Alec. Depends. There's still a lot, like there's still a lot of price action to go, right? So I wouldn't be worried about tomorrow yet because a lot of stuff can still happen tonight, right? I think your goal for tonight is just again finding a base above $50, and then tomorrow keep pumping. Robinhood stops at 20% overnight. Oh, it does. Interesting. Okay, I did not know that as well. So nothing is allowed to go above or below 20%. They halt it. Interesting. La 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 la. I mean, Christian, he can just rotate those into a different chain. That's the thing. He can just rotate those things. Uh, hmm. Yeah, yes, Martinez. Not the same volume though, right? It's not the same. The volume that really moves any stock is volume in North America. Nothing else really does anything good. Right overnight, la 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 goes down, but oh, I see. Okay, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. La 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 la. A few days ago, Jimmy. Okay, that's interesting. Come on, just push it to 20%, then easy, right? Just push it to 20%, and then we're done for the day. La, la, la. Yeah, exactly. It will get halted on Robinhood potentially, but it still gets traded onto after hours closes. So you can still buy on Webull, you can still buy on the other platforms, right? So until after hours actually closes. Yeah, KITT is going to need to clear 1920 if it wants to run again. And then AMC failed at $66.50. $6.50. Let's give it 7 more minutes, guys. 7 more minutes, and then we can see where we are, and then go back to Discord. Karan, maybe never use Robinhood. Why? Yeah, exactly, Eric. Exactly, exactly. So don't worry about Robinhood for now. I like that retest. If we can get back to the highs now, that would be perfect. And open all night. Can't sleep. So AMC GME is available for you, Eugene, in Korea. Hmm. The buy, Christian. The buy. The reason why they don't really care about the sell is because again, when if they take away that thing, they obviously want it to go down. So you can sell if you want because it's going to help them with the desired outcome, right? When markets is completely closed. Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense actually. Because can you imagine though? Can you imagine? Can you imagine the chaos? Yeah, that makes a lot of sense actually. Yeah, 20% is fair. After the yeah, by 3 years. Exactly as well to somebody overnight. One of the only platforms you yeah, exactly. So I do think like there's a good reason behind closing a stock that's up 20% after hours. So mm, there's a good reason for that. Do, do, do. They did remove the buy button. Why wouldn't they do it again? La, 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 la. I think the reason why they wouldn't do that again is because, again, so you know, Robinhood was taken to court. Even if they were proven to be innocent, or it was for a good reason that they took that away, I don't think they want to go through that process again, right? Yeah, they got sued for that. So exactly, I don't think Robinhood wants to go through a process like that again. Especially being a publicly traded company now, and they're actually doing really well as a company. Don't think they want to go through that process again. And you know it's going to happen again if they do that, right? Maybe on a bigger scale this time. Make sure you la, 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 la. I will never use them again. Exactly. That's the risk they're taking. So um, I don't think they're going to do that again. Absolutely, Chris. Absolutely. I wanted to see the breakout. The stock will exactly, Musty. Exactly. There's so many reasons why Robinhood isn't going to do that. Right? People are going to leave. They're going to get sued. The stock is going to crash. They're going to lose billions of dollars. Um, don't think they want to deal with that. Yeah, just consolidate about $50. Hold it overnight, and tomorrow morning send it. Tomorrow morning send it. Yeah, Robinhood market la la la. The exchange 20% price ban during its trading session. Jimmy, thank you. That are reasonable. Exactly. Yeah, I agree. Vision. Yeah, I agree. Give us the boom skis, Martinez. Give us the boom skis. Lucy is doing well, isn't it? Lucy. Let me just look at Lucy here really quickly. Lucy. Oh wow, that's a nice push for Lucy. Sheesh. Where'd that thing come from? Minus 21% today, and then all of a sudden it's popping there after hours. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. Choo, 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 choo. 76. The only thing I don't like about Lucy though is that thing has a crazy spread. It is a distraction actually. It is a distraction, Musty. Yeah, Lucy said boom skis. Yeah, the only thing that scares me for Lucy though is the bid is 61 cents, the ask is 76. So you buy that thing and it drops, you're gonna be crying. Mm, 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 mm. And KITT is back to 1930, guys. Ooh, that looks good. KITT. Did we get 20 cents already on this thing? 20 cents. Do, 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 do. KITT. Yeah, no. Again, if you bought KITT this morning, closer to 14 cents, you're very happy, right? So I know we played with this thing yesterday, but again, it was mentioned again today by Steve, right? So 14 cents. So if you bought 14 cents, congratulations, because that thing looks good. It looks like it might have a good night too, right? Two. And I think the high from today was that 21 cents rally we had. I think. Yeah, 2160 was the high here. KITT. If you're still holding KITT, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're still holding KITT. KITT. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody ran to GME and left KITT, huh? Everybody said screw that. I like that dip a lot. I like that we can come back to $50 and then just slowly curl off $50. Good technical signs. AB, that would be nice. That would be very nice. Yeah, for Lucy, the spread. Yeah, agreed. $51 GME. The after hour high, $52. Christian. Uh, I would rather you add Jimmy on like on massive red candles because you know red candles are gonna come at some point, right? So whether that's today or tomorrow, I'd rather you do that on massive red candles. Um, or you should have done that on a breakout, or maybe even a retest of $50, right? So, uh, I exactly, Eric. How many hedges will get liquidated overnight? All of them. All of them. Yeah, no, this is good price action. I like when technicals look good. I like when you look at the chart and it makes sense. Yes, there's a lot of hype behind this, but it also makes a lot of sense. Right? I like when you can look at the chart and it's obvious. Well, 68. The second pump is always better than the one before. Yeah, I agree with that. In terms of like the first rally being better than the first rally. But then again, GME's had multiple dips and rallies, so come on, come on. Tomorrow. La, 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 la. LPA. Is 7 a.m. considered pre-market hours for pre-market? 4 a.m. is pre-market. I'm glad you woke up early too, Eric. So 4 a.m. is when pre-market opens. We go in the morning, hopefully. My thoughts on KITT, I like it. AJ, what's your position in KITT? I like it if you're in it already. If you're not in, you have resistance at 20 cents. So you might want to wait for that thing to break about 20 cents on its own, right? But again, I like it. This thing was a beautiful play at 14 cents. I think when we came back on stream, Yeah, when we came back on stream, it was bouncing off 14 cents. So since we came back, and it's been bouncing, right? From 14 cents, it's been slowly creeping up. So hopefully, the fact that it's the ticker symbol is KITT, you can follow the meme. You can follow the meme rubbish to the moon. Safe or go all in, and Mace, always be safe. Also, there's no need to think about tomorrow because we have to see how we close after hours and then what pre-market looks like, and then go from there. So whatever plans you come up with right now don't really matter if there's still time to in after hours. You can only buy at 7 a.m. in the morning, beauty. Oof. Yeah, that might be. I mean, again, it depends where the stock is at 7 a.m. It depends. If I couldn't tell, no, that's okay. You have to start somewhere, right? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, yeah. So yeah, try not to plan for something that isn't in your control, right? Already, because again, like we have what 2 hours left, over 2 hours left in after hours. A lot of things can happen, right? Also, we come back tomorrow pre-market 4 a.m. A lot of things can happen. So if you're planning a trade based with like that, you're just kind of wasting your time. Where's the Discord again? If you want to join us in Discord, guys, we're gonna hop off in a few minutes and go back to Discord, and we're gonna continue spamming in Discord, right? So I'm sure GME is gonna be talked about all night until after hours closes. But yeah, so if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. You have to become a member first on YouTube. So again, click that link from Nightbot. Make sure you sign up for the right level, Discord community, Legend or Goats, and then I'll send you a link to join us in Discord. We're gonna hop off in like 5 minutes. This time for sure, 5 minutes, and then we're gonna continue in Discord. Oh, come on, Alan, come on. That's not true. Well, it is. Would it work another 7 minutes? Why? Because 7 minutes is really like another 2 hours. Exactly, Eric. Exactly. Do not leave us. Come join us in Discord. My cat loves me. Come join us in Discord. We're gonna be there spamming. You want to raise? I always want to raise. Jeff. Always. I always want to raise. No, I don't want to raise. I just want GME to pump. That's it. No raise. After today, well, yeah. So we're gonna hop off in a few minutes again. So if you're not a member yet, come join us. And if you do join after the stream is done, just send me an email, and I will send you an invite. Yeah, Lucy. Lucy came back down, and guess what? 1990 for KITT. So that thing just needs to clear 20 cents and then push, 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 push. To the Discord. Can you send me the link to my email? No. You have to become a member first on YouTube, Beauty with Brains. Again, if you want to join Discord, click the link at the bottom from Nightbots, become a member on YouTube, and then I'll send you the link to join Discord. Just make sure you sign up for a level that doesn't say sold out, please. Anyways, come on, KITT, just break out. GME, come on, follow. Mm, do, 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 do. I'll take a look. Do, 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 do. Uh, la, la, la. And then VERO, $1.65. There you go. And KITT is slowly creeping up there. And obviously GME is still holding $50, which is good. Where do you sell GME? On the moon? On the moon? Choo, 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 choo. Mm, choo, 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 choo. Are you guys still holding GME after hours? Yes. You don't have to though. You don't have to. Just because somebody else is holding GME doesn't mean you should be holding, right? Just because somebody is holding doesn't mean you should hold. We're not in the same. Also, like I might only have $2 in GME, right? And then you put your life savings in GME, and then you're at the bridge, and then I still go get some ice cream after that. So always, look at your personal situation and say, you know what, like I'm holding GME. Like, is my position too big? Do I need to take some profits off the table because I don't know what happens overnight? Stuff like that you have to think about, right? Like I said earlier, like that Kitty guy. Yes, he's Musty, some ice cream. That Kitty guy might have $25 million in GME that's worth $500 million, but to him that might be nothing. Is it possible that AMC hits $15 tomorrow? Unless GME is above $100 and squeezing, then the answer is no. Uh, yeah, Azul, yeah, always hit the yeah. There you go. So Azul has been holding for a long time, right? Azul says if it's stalling, he might sell a third of his position, right? So missile, na 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 na. Yeah, especially if you can trade till like late in the morning. Like early pre-market might be fun. This thing might gap up and push to 60, 70, right? Maybe. Don't use that as right. Uh, but if you don't have pre-market access, it's basically useless. It's not the same. No, AMC is not the same as GME. Uh, Before you can buy back, you're banking on a spike in pre-market. Yeah, yeah. I think we're all on the same page, hoping that it spikes in pre-market. You just have to have access to pre-market. I've been playing it for a couple of weeks now. Yeah, trying to be a billionaire, probably. No video of every chance. Uh, I like how everybody hates AMC now. AMC's actually done well today, though. AMC is not too shabby. But it's true though. Like AMC squeezes, and Adam Aaron is running to the bank, begging for money already, begging for money. Anyways, guys, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Let's go, Eric. Eric is making a rare Discord appearance. Let's go. Nah, nah, nah. Send it. That would be a question for HTGPT in Discord. Jeff, you're driving. Have a great night, Sponge. You need the invites. Just send me an email. Email at the top, and I'll send you an invite. You sign up for the right level, though, right? Did you sign up for like a legend or something like that? If you didn't, then And then yes. On TradingView 46, because you're delayed. You're delayed. This is TradingView and it's at $50. Right? If you look at the bottom there, it says post market trading $50. It's because you don't have your after hours activated on TradingView. Right? Look for your email. Okay. Beauty, just make sure you sign up for the right level. Okay. Um, just make sure you sign up for the right level. So again, Discord community legend or goats, and then send me an email. Um, yeah. Again, I recommend signing up for Legend. Legend is the but yeah, so we're gonna hop off, guys. We will be in Discord, spamming GME and waiting for new breakouts, or maybe tomorrow morning. Um, yeah, and hopefully, when we wake up in the morning or when pre-market opens, GME is at way high. Again, if you're holding overnight, just understand that there's always a risk with holding stuff overnight, and just be okay with it. Make sure you're not over leveraged, and you should be okay. Alrighty, I will be on YouTube tomorrow. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Again, don't forget to smash a like before you go, please, and thank you. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and all the other fun stuff. Let's go, Eric. Yeah, we're gonna be in Stock General. Be safe, guys. Much love. Bye, all. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye.